Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to use Samsung drum cleaning powder. See, this is a Samsung drum cleaning powder. Please keep this product away from children. Please avoid direct contact with eyes. We can use this product with any Samsung washing machine. I will explain how we can use this. Step 1. Make sure the washing machine is empty. Then open the main detergent drawer. Pour the entire packet, this powder packet, or we can directly put this powder into the drum. Then close the detergent drawer. Then turn on the washing machine. So we can select the drum clean or echo drum clean program. If your washing machine model does not have that option, then use the cotton cycle with the highest temperature 60 to 90 degrees Celsius. Then press start button and let the cycle finish. When it's done, leave the door and detergent drawer slightly open for a few hours to let the inside dry. Now the question would be, how often we need to do this process? Run a drum cleaning cycle about once a month, or whenever the machine reminds you with a drum clean indicator. At that moment also you can just do this process. This way we can use this Samsung drum cleaning powder. So you can try this. So I will make another video there I will show you how we can use it in the washing machine. So you can try this. This is very good product. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.